Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manali Raju Rathore. Roll number is MB 2004. Subject name is Analysis of Financial Management. College name is SAS Institute of Management Study. The first point is FCFF defined free cash flow to equity. FCFE is the cash flow available to the firm's common equity holders after all operating expenses, interest and principal payment have been paid and necessary investment in working and fixed capital have been made. FCFF is equal to EBIT bracket 1 minus tax rate bracket complete plus depreciation minus capital expense minus change in a working capital minus change in other assets. When calculating the FCFF or FCFE, investment in a working capital do not include any investment in cash in marketable security. The first point is the FCFF is the introduction is a measure of financial performance a company is able to generate after laying out free cash flow in the important. Without cash, it does the develop new product. FCF is the calculate as EBIT bracket 1 minus tax rate bracket complete plus depreciation minus change in a net working capital minus capital expenditure. The another way of calculating FCF, it's the important to note the negative phase cash flow company is marketing large investment in the strategy has the potential to pay off the long run. The free cash flow from the firm measure of financial performance that experience calculate as FCFF is equal to operating cash flow minus expenses minus tax minus change in NWC minus change in investment. The free cash flow per share measure of a company financial flexibility proxy of measuring change in earning per share. The free cash flow to equity, how much can be paid to the equity shareholder. FCFE is often used calculate as FCFE is equal to net income minus net capital expenditure minus change in net working capital plus new debts minus debt repayment. Free cash flow yield any overall return valuation ratio of a stock expended to earn against its market price per share. Free cash flow to share ratio to percentage of free cash flow amount of sale calculate free cash flow sales is equal to free cash minus upon co-annual sales into 100. Universal free cash flow before interest payment are taken into account. Calculate as universal free cash flow EBITDA CAPEX minus working capital minus tax between universal cash flow and universal cash flow. Thank you.